Well, dry time was a nice, almost needed break for a lot of us around mid-Missouri, but we're back into the rain chances today. Again, whatever we're tracking this morning, going to be fairly light in nature. I think a lot of us going to be doing a pretty good job at staying dry. As we get into this afternoon, going to see some more showers and thunderstorms get up and going. Really anytime after about midday into the early evening hours, I think is going to be our best opportunity to hear some of that thunder around mid-Missouri. Temperature is going to top out in the upper 70s to near 80 degrees. That's about it, though, with all that rain and cloud cover around. As we get into tonight, though, again, still some question as to whether or not this complex of storms is going to build this far to our south, and it might graze some of our northern counties as we get into tonight. Latest look at Future Track, though, kind of makes it take a right-hand turn and move that through the entire viewing area. So, again, these things are kind of like putting a dart here on the board as we get into tonight. Tomorrow, though, going to be staying dry. Temperatures back into the middle 80s. As we get into Thursday, it looks like we've got some trouble brewing as we get into really the afternoon into the evening hours, because we're going to have all the ingredients in place for some severe thunderstorms across mid-Missouri, whether that's the moisture lift, instability, or even a little bit of the turning of those winds with height. But it's a little bit of a complex situation that's going to be unfolding Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Going to be tracking yet another complex of thunderstorms. This will get going into Nebraska and then work its way off toward the south and east. And I still think that's going to be headed our direction as we get pretty early in the day on Thursday, get you up to about 8 and 9 o'clock. Now, how long this lingers in the viewing area is going to hold all the cards, and whether or not we can tap into all of those ingredients we're going to have in place by the afternoon into the evening hours. And again, if this wants to linger into the air as we get into Thursday afternoon into the evening, it could essentially squash that severe threat that we could be tracking as we get into Thursday. So again, keep an eye out for that. Be weather alert with us as we get into Thursday. Friday, though, Saturday, looking nice and clear across mid-Missouri, even a little bit cool behind that frontal boundary that's going to fire up all those storms on Thursday down into the low 70s getting into this holiday weekend.